Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the simplest way to put in and customize a crosshair in Valorant on PC. Let's get started. First, open Valorant and log into your account. Once you are in the main menu, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Once you are in the settings, click the crosshair tab at the top. Here you will see all the options to customize your crosshair like color, outline, thickness, length, and center dot. Pick a color that's easy to see on any map. Common choices are green or white. The color should stand out so you can aim quickly without losing focus. Next, choose the style, default, classic or custom. Adjust thickness, length and gap until it feels comfortable for you. You can also turn on the outline for better visibility. If you want, enable the center dot help without precision aiming. This is especially helpful for rifles and long range shots. Once you are happy with crosshair, scroll down and click save profile. You can change it or change name like my crosshair or pro style so it's easy to switch later. And that's it, we have successfully put in and customized your crosshair in Valorant on PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.